Hello everyone, I'm Snehal and I'm working as an associate data engineer at Boolean Data Systems. And Boolean Data Systems is a Snowflake select service partner providing several customized and industry focused solutions. And today we have Siddharth with us, and I'm glad he's here to guide us through dead stock prediction in retail. And hi Siddharth.
Hi Snehal.
And before we dive into the demo, let's set some context. And I'll start with a few questions so we all understand the business side of the problem better, right? So the first question is, what does dead stock mean in retail context and why it is such a major challenge for businesses?
In simple terms, dead stock refers to the product that remains unsold for a long time and unlikely to be sold in the future. That could be due to any reason like wrong demand forecasting and changing the customers' preferences and or overstocking. This challenge with a dead stock is that directly locks up the money for the retailers and also creates some hidden cost like storage and handling charges and storage charges.
And I believe that dead stock clearly impacts profitability. Can you also explain how it affects things like shelf space and customer experience in retail stores?
Absolutely. When shelves are filled with the items that don't sell, they take away valuable spaces that could be used for the product that customers actually want. This reduces the efficiency of the store layout and affects the product visibility. From the customer's point of view, by seeing the irrelevant product and unsold product, lower the shopping experience.
And previously, that is traditionally, how have retailers tried to manage dead stock and what are the limitations of those methods?
Yeah. So traditionally, retailers relied on the reactive methods such as discounting and clearing sales and return to vendor strategy. While these approaches do help to reduce the pileup, but they are usually they are reactive, not proactive or product predictive. So that was the limitation with the traditional model, and that is the main issue. That's why this predictive approach is here.
Thank you, Siddharth. That gives us a very great foundation. And now, can you please walk us through the dead stock prediction model? And can you show us something like demo or working of it?
Yeah, thank you. I will show you.
Yeah,
I hope you can see my screen.
yeah, your screen is visible.
Yes. So this is basically this is the retail desktop prediction, and for this we have dashboard also in Sigma, which is this dashboard where you can see multiple charts over here, and these are the KPIs and these are the filters. The main advantage of this dashboard is retailers can find their data or the trends inside trends by these filters. They can select any brand or any multiple brands also at a time they can select, and if they want they can check the reason wise. So this will helpful for the retailers to find the data by filtering process. And let's just see this retail desktop prediction. These are the top features which are used in this prediction model, and for this data are stored in the table in Snowflake itself. And as you can see, there are many features in this table, and some top features are implemented in the prediction model. Let me just give you some clarity over these features. First one is promotion active in the last 14 days. That means if any discounts added into the product in the last 14 days or not. That 0 means no and 1 means yes. And this is the promotion depth, like what is the percentage of discount the product got is a discount, like some for example I'm giving 12, and this is near holiday season, like the record of this product are captured near the holiday season or not. And 0 means no and 1 means yes. And here you can choose the brands. Some multiple brands are added here, and this is the product category like apparel, beauty and footwears. And this is region wise also you can filter, you can choose this product. and this is the production cost of the product, like how much they implemented in this product. uh, Let me just put some value. And this is return rate, like how many customers are returning the product. This is the in the percentage wise. And is this product is newly launched or not. And this is the estimated price elasticity. That means after changing in the price of the product, how it is differ from the past price and all. So that is the ratio. And this is the current price of this product. So what is the current price of this product? And this is seasonality index. That means in the season wise, some product are getting sell in the rapidly, and sometime it season wise the products are not selling properly. So that is the seasonal index. And this is the competitors price index, that like how much it differs from the competitors. So if you click this predict button, it will give you the prediction as low risk of dead stock. That means this product will not be a dead stock in the upcoming 90 days, and definitely it will be sold in the future. And this is all about this retail dead stock prediction model.
Thank you for demonstrating, Siddharth. Both the retail analysis dashboard and the dead stock prediction model, they look really effective. So now that we have seen the demo of it, let's go a bit deeper into how they work behind the scenes. So what types of data are mostly important when detecting or predicting dead stock? For example, sales transactions, promotions, or even customer behavior. Like which is more
Great
important?
questions.
Which type of data?
Yeah, great questions. The most critical data starts with the sales transactions, because sales velocity tells us how fast or slow an item is moving. Along with that, inventory levels are important to see whether the stock is filling up. But these two are not enough. We looked at promotions and discount as well as, and because those can temporarily boost up the sales. And customers behavior data like browsing patterns, online search, and even the store footfall also can provide a leading indicators together.
And I believe that seasonality, fashion trends, and regional preferences often influence retail sales. So, how does these factors contribute to dead stock issues?
Exactly. This factors plays a huge role. For example, the seasonal items like winter jackets or Diwali decorations have very limited and selling windows. If they don't sell within the time, they quickly turn into a dead stock. So similarly, fashion trends also can change rapidly. A design that was popular last month may have little demand now. And regional preferences matter too. What sells in Delhi may not sell in Chennai. If these accepts aren't considered while planning inventory, retailers can easily overstock in the wrong places, leading to the more dead stock.
True, Siddharth. And from the technical side, can you explain us how machine learning actually predict which products are at high risk of becoming dead stock and which are not?
Yes. So machine learning models are trained to look at the past patterns and identify signals that humans might miss. For instance, the model can detect the declining sales velocity, low repeat purchase, or products that only sell when heavily discounted. So by combining historical sales with this external factor like seasonality, price changes, and even weather or events, the model calculates a probability score for each product. If that score is high, it means the product is at risk of becoming a dead stock. This proactive prediction allows retailers to take early actions, and rather than waiting until it's too late.
Great insight, Siddharth. And moving on, like how can retailers integrate this prediction model with their existing ERP systems or even inventory management systems?
Yeah, the integration is actually very straightforward. Since the model is built on the Snowflake, it can connect directly to the ERP or inventory system where the stock data is already stored, and prediction can be delivered as simple tables or dashboards that business users can easily access. We can also automate the alters, for example, sending a notification to the category manager when certain products cross their risk threshold. So this way, the insights don't remain in the silo, but flow directly into the retailers and daily workflow. So that's where adaptation really picks up.
And finally, from a business perspective, like what kind of profitability improvements, can a retailer realistically expect from a solution like this?
Yeah. So it lowers the storage and handling cost, and it reduces the waste from the unsold goods also. So, but the impact goes beyond the cost savings by filling self spaces for fast moving items, and sales and customer satisfactions goes up well, and so the value is both financially and experientially.
Thank you, Siddharth. Thank you for the valuable insights. So, now that we have seen how the dead stock prediction estimator can help retailers move from reactive to proactive decision making and help them reduce costs and also at the same time improve profitability. Thank you, everyone, for joining us today. That's the end of the webinar today. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah. Thank you, Snehal. Thank you.
Thank you, Siddharth.